I achieved this biologic pancake with zucchini. Just be patient, just watch the full video. You'll be beautiful people. Welcome you all back to Fitable Rosemary Kitchen. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great as well as keeping safe. I have another pancake recipe. The pancake recipe for today is with biologic flour. So this is my biologic flour. This one I'll be using it to finish it up. As you guys know, I like using something to make it more fantasy. And this is the biologic flour I'm talking about here. They call it integrale. So you guys just follow me up. The first thing I'll be doing right now, I'll be preparing my zucchini. My oil is already in the fry pan. It's just very simple. I'm going to cook my zucchini for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add some salt, and I'm going to allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to get back to you. For the meantime, let's go and start preparing my condimento. For now, my zucchini is cooking. So let's start. This is my biologic flour. I'm going to add. Then this is my sugarcane sugar, my brown sugar. You guys can see. I'm going to add 1 spoon. Then I'm going to break 1 egg. Then I'm going to add my milk. Get my consistency, guys. Okay, so this is the consistency that I desire. My zucchini is still cooking, so let's go and start the other preparation. You can use any flour of your choice. I just decided this time around to use biologic flour because we need to try most of the time, so it's healthy, guys. Okay, let's go. The consistency. Okay, bisogna pure mangiare a qualche modo. My beautiful people, we're ready now to go. Let's go. All right. So my zucchini is still cooking. Very soon it will be ready, guys. So let me get my eggs ready here. These are my eggs. One, two. I got some cheese here, so I'm gonna add some cheese. Okay, so my egg now is ready. So I'm just gonna put it off now, guys. I'm gonna put it off. I'm gonna show you guys how it's looking. Okay, guys. Is ready. Voila. So let's go for the second round. Okay, you guys just take a look. You guys can see it properly. Okay, this is what I'll be using for the finishing part as usual. Ok, state oh bella gente, scusate, avete visto cosa combina Fitable Rosemary? Venite sempre alla mia cucina, vedrete un sacco di cose che faccio io. Grazie. Dispari. I always make it 3, so we'll eat more. Let's go now for the finishing part of our pancake. Okay, guys, this is it. This is the finishing part. I'm gonna get some of my eggs. Guys, I'm gonna roll it. Okay, one have been rolled. Then I'm gonna put one of it back here. I'm gonna put my thin slide. I'm gonna cut half of my egg. Place it in there. Then I'm gonna roll it. Okay, guys, this is it. Then I'm gonna put it back in here. Get my thin slide. Then I'm gonna put. Okay. Then I'm gonna roll it, guys. So you guys can see, this is the my biologic pound cake with zucchini, ripieno di zucchini. So let's go for the cutting, my beautiful people. Let's go for the cutting. Testing. Wow, voila, léger sans fait. Oh, wow. You guys just take a good look. Questa sì che bontà. You guys just take a good look at it, okay? Thank you very much for those that see my video for the very first time. Hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you guys will be almost one of the first that will be notified. Just want to thank my subscribers, my old and my new, as well as all my amazing returning subscribers for all the amazing comments and likes. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you very much for always coming to watch my video. Thank you. God bless you. Stay good, stay blessed.